everyone, I am Jeannie Ardalizay. Today, I'm going to talk about Information and Communication Technology or ICT in business. First, let's talk at specific ICT tools used in business. First, we have computers and laptops. These are essential for tasks like emailing, document, writing, and data management. Second, there are communication tools like Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. These help teams stay connected through chats and video calls. The third is we have customer relationship management or CRM software like Salesforce. This help business manage their customers and improve relationship. The fourth is also we have data analytics tools like Google Analytics and Tableau. These programs help business analyze data for better decision making. And five, lastly, social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn are used for marketing and engaging with customers. That's the important in business. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using ICT in business. First is ICT increases efficiency. It helps workers finish tasks faster and with fewer mistakes. Second, it improves communication. Teams can share information quickly and easily, leading to their better collaboration. Third is business gain, access to information. They can gather important data easily to make informed choices. Fourth is using digital tools can lead to cost savings. Businesses save money on paper and other materials. And five, lastly, it enhances customer service. With CRM system, business can respond to customer needs promptly. However, there are challenges in using ICT as well. First is there can be technical problems. Sometimes the technology breaks down, causing delays. Second is employees may need training to use new tools effectively. Third, there are also security risks. Businesses face threats like data breaches and cyber attacks. Fourth is, finally, some business may become too reliant on technology, losing personal connection with their customers. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of business of using ICT effectively. First is Amazon. Uses advanced technology like data analytics and artificial intelligence to understand customer behavior and improve its services. Second, Zara. A clothing retailer uses ICT to manage its supply chain efficiently, ensuring products are always available. The third is the Coca-Cola. Uses social media for making campaigns, allowing them to connect with customers globally. In conclusions, ICT tools in business bring many benefits, but they also come with the challenges. By understanding both sides, business can work smarter and achieve growth. Thank you for watching and see you next time.